You want me to help you?
No.
You got it all by yourself? Are you a big boy?
I got it.
Good job.
I got poo-poo puppy.
Good job, buddy. You go poo-poo or TT?
TT.
And TT's? I hear it.
I want you.
You do a TT?
Yep.
Do you have to go poo-poo?
I go TT.
Good job, buddy. Can you put your pull-up on all by yourself? You flush the toilet? Okay, that's plenty of tissue. You don't really need tissue, but we'll put it in there anyway. All right, now can you put your pull-up on? We'll get this because it's dirty. Good job. Okay, let go of that. Let go. All right. You put your pull-up on for Mommy? You're such a big boy.
Yeah.
Thank you. Here. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. This goes on this side.